Hey YouTube, this is my Homelite XL12 that I found in this very barn here before it was cleaned out and used for storage. The thing was seized, carburetor was shot, did a full rebuild. So let's hear a run, if it'll run. It hasn't been started since 2 years ago. So let's see. I don't think it'll go. Thing's probably frozen. I'll put some ether down her and let's see what happens, okay? This thing does have a manual oiler and no automatic oiler, so that's why it's not very worth very much. But it means a lot to me because it was my dad's very first chainsaw, and he bought it. Someone destroyed it, caught it on fire, and this is what it looks like. It was real bad shape when I got to it. So bad, my dad said, throw that thing in the garbage. But now we have a good chainsaw. It's not electric, like that one there in the case. Let me just keep spinning. This thing's... There we go. Carb came off. Let's get some ether. Here's a good can of ether. Good. Open the vent. Close it. I'm gonna put you right here. Oh, here it goes. Is it flooded? Could be. More ether. Might get her going. Who knows? Full can of ether here. Found in the garbage. Oh! There. Let's check by. Yeah, I'm a bit small for this thing. It's a lot heavier than it seems, but it does run. I rebuilt it, so yeah.